Guys, so here's the taxi. Yeah, that's everything only. Wow, special.
Bradley, okay?
Okay, nice to meet you, Bradley. I'm Lynn, and this is Sweet. It's my second time. My first time was in Freeport. First time in Nassau, yes.
Oh. We do have left and right hand steering wheel car. It's an excursion boat. It goes to one of our islands called Exuma. Exuma has the best beaches on the planet, on the island.
Okay.
There they have the shark feeding show. You feed the sharks.
Okay.
You feed the wild stingrays. The resort,
Must try.
and you will get it at the fish fry. You guys want to do like a four-wheeler ATV tour that up for you as well?
You know, like the gift of vacation. This is the one. Have villas here. We're here. Thank you. Okay. Okay, sure. Look at that, guys. It looks so homey. We did not check in yet, but then when we check in later, because we got here so early, I'm gonna give you a room tour. Nice size pool right there, which we really don't need if we have a private beach right there, guys. West wind in front of us is the island. It's so relaxing. You can sit there. They have like a lounge bar right here where we can order some drinks, some food. There's the office where we were a while ago, and of course person already right there, guys. We can order some snacks, some food. Stick around. There, guys. Nice cozy lounge. There's a hammock right there. Look at that, there's a boat right there. I don't know if it's a tour boat. Right in front of us, and the distance is that. Water so clear, and someone is parasailing right there. Something that I did in Boracay, and I don't think I'll do it here, but yeah, it's nice to see it. So guys, let's walk around. Since our check-in is 4 o'clock, yeah. Say this is the West Wind 1 Club. So there's 1, there's 2, and I don't know if there's more, but I saw 2 a while ago. And all the way there, guys, and then of course the main road where we were a while ago. So guys, nandito na tayo sa labas. Medyo makulimlim. Like this is another resort here. They have what they call Cable Beach Court, the professional center. There's also a ice cream store for a public on this one. Looks like a ruin, right? Anyway, let's go.
Oh, I have cool.
Oh, Pumpkin Market. Alright, so it is. Kinakawayan na ako ni ate. Takot ako. Selling some local stuff. Hello. Some stuff. Alright.